Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get marriage license in California. So first head over in your search bar and type in this phrase, marriage license California. Then scroll down and from here you should see a link from CDPH. So just follow this link. You will then be redirected to this page where you can see the essential information that you need to know in acquiring your marriage license. Then from here, just scroll down until you get to the marriage information section. And here you should see a link for application for a certified copy of a marriage record. So just click on this link. And here you can see a PDF file that shows you the steps and guidelines in obtaining your certified copy of marriage record. So from here, scroll down until you get to this section where you can see what are the documents and requirements that you need to submit for a copy of a marriage certificate. So first is of course completed application for certified copy of marriage record. You also need a notarized sworn statement if applicable. And of course you need $17 fee per copy requested. Once you have all these three, you can now proceed with the application. On the same PDF file is the application form that you need to fill out. So you just have to fill out the part 1, part 2, part 3, and basically complete this form. Then here on page 4, you can see the address in which you can mail this application into. So you just have to send it on this address, including the $17 fee. And if you further scroll down, here you can see the sworn statement, certificate of acknowledgement that you also need to submit along with the application form. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!